Hello students, myself is Almaz Zahir Sheikh from HV Desai College. In this video, we will study the study of prism or study of spectrometer and determination of the refractive index of for different colors. In this experiment, we have an apparatus consisting of a source, mercury source, a chromatic source, and a spectrometer consisting of a collimator, prism table, and telescope. Now the light passing coming out from the slit of the light source is entering into the collimator, and the light from the collimator incident on the prism. So to study the refractive index of the different colors, we will use this prism. So again, the prism is same as we have used in the experiment of angle of prism, consisting of the two transparent surfaces, and the third surface is opaque surface. Now here again there is a method to place the prism. Now we will place the prism in such a way that the opaque surface is either placed on the right side or on the left side of the collimator. So I am placing the opaque surface, which is here on the left side of my hand. So the opaque surface is on the left side of the telescope or collimator. It is here, right? So one refracting surface is facing to the collimator and another refracting surface is facing to the telescope. Now when the light is passed through the collimator and incident on the refracting surface, the light is transmitted and transmitted from the another side, and this transmitted light are nothing but the refractive rays, and that's why the direction of the light changes, and you can't see the spectrum, or you can't see the light in this position. You have to change the position of the telescope. So when you change the position of the telescope, somewhere you are able to see a group of spectral lines or colored spectral lines, and this group of colored spectral lines is called as spectrum. And dear students, this spectrum is consisting of 7 colors, which are Vibgyor: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Very beautiful spectrum is observed through this telescope. So now what I do, I will adjust the telescope to observe this spectrum, and then I will first, before noting down the readings, I will first keep this prism at minimum deviation position. So for that we need to move the prism table in one particular direction. So I am moving it in anti-clockwise direction. And as I move the prism in anti-clockwise direction, the spectrum which I am able to observe through this telescope is also moved in one particular direction. And I continue the motion of the prism table in anti-clockwise direction, but at one position the spectrum suddenly change its direction and it moves in opposite direction. We will through this change in motion, we are observing the particular position of the spectrum where it changes its direction. So as soon as you observe that spectrum has now moving from a direction to the opposite, you stop the moving this prism table and fix the screw which is on the other side. I am fixing the screw, and the screw is fixed. Now after fixing the screw, the prism table is also fixed. It will not move, and hence now we have fixed the minimum deviation position. At this point, now throughout the experiment, you can't change this position. Otherwise, your setup will disturb and you will miss the correct readings. So I will take the precaution to not disturb the position or prism table and as well as prism, and again use the cross wire in the eyepiece of the telescope and adjust the vertical wire to a particular color of the spectrum. So I start with the red color and I coincide the vertical wire with the red spectral line, and I use the window. So again, as you know, there are two windows of the spectrometer. In this experiment, you can use either of these. there is no need to use both the windows. So I am using this window, measure the top scale as a vernier scale and bottom scale as a main scale. Noting down the two readings, find out the angle for the respective red color. Now repeat the same process. So what I do, dear students, I will slowly move the telescope to the next color, indigo color, and again find the reading, then blue, green, yellow, orange. In this fashion you will start from red till violet and note down the angles of the angles for the respective colors. Use the formula of refractive index, and before solving it we need one more reading, the common reading. It is called direct reading. So I remove the prism. So there is a white light, and that white light I will find it or observe from the telescope. It is called direct reading. So again fix the crosswire or coincide the crosswire with the white spectre and note down the reading. This is called direct reading. Finding the all 7 readings and the direct reading, use in the formula to find the refractive indices of the different colors of the light. Thank you.